Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix Why is my PIN not available Windows 11. Click on the Start menu and open Settings. Now go to the Account section and there open Sign-in options. Expand the PIN option and you will see that it is not available. To fix this, open the password line and click Add. Enter the desired password and click Next. Then click Finish and you will be able to verify that it is now possible to use the PIN on your system. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.